Okay, this is my cold start of my 19 Honda Rancher 420 Eastern Blue. It ain't been cranked since yesterday, and it got down to like 30 degrees last night. So let's see what's up. First of all, let's see how many miles on it today, because I rode it yesterday. See how much gas it's got in it. It's got 38 miles on it. Temperature low. 7.9 hours on it. 62 miles to service. 12 hours to service. Okay. Right, here we go. See, I love fuel injection. This baby started, no problem whatsoever. I've been riding the Dickens out of this thing. I love my Rancher. If anybody's looking for a four-wheeler and you can afford a new Honda Rancher, go get one. I suggest it. I got this and that. Honda of North Carolina in Granite Falls, North Carolina. If you live in anywhere near Granite Falls and you want an ATV, go to them. I recommend them. But till next time, we'll see you.